Skyscrapersim housing estate, section 1.2, has all of the lifts been awesome Hitachi's and it's lift tour time. Now we go to the first lifts in the 30th floor building, which are Hitachi. There are two main lifts and one service lift. First lifts are the main lifts at the 30th floor building. The lift on the left is here at the ground floor, but the other lift on the right is at 6. So, let's ride them. Do you see this difference? In 13, the main lifts do not have external indicator, but the service lift it has. And here's a fire alarm switch. Now we go to the service lift, but I'll have a fire alarm drill test at the end of this building.
This is security. Can I help you? Hello? Hello? Speak to me? Hello? Anyone there? Are you stuck?
It's staff only area, explore time. This is gonna be very short because it is very small. Let's go up with the stairs to the level T. The floor is transparent, and there is another building. I cannot open. So let's get back down. And here's the imaginary of the service lift. But the imaginary of the main lift is downwards at the floor 30, at the floor R, which is the stuff, the last floor of this building, the lift. Not just to mention it. So anyways, let's get back. Let's get out of the lift. If this is now a normal operation, let's wait until the lift. It's fire alarm testing time. Let's press the fire. Let's pull the fire alarm. You see that? Lifts are left it open. Let's enable the fire mode. Very great. The buttons are no longer working, which that means the lifts are no longer working. What did I even do in this fire alarm?
Can I help you? Hello? Hello? Speak to me? Hello? Anyone there? Are you stuck?
Let's go to the elevator at the door. Correct. All done. Let's continue. Automatic doors. Very good. These are the fences. It looks like the downtown. And here is the car park. It goes up some floors, which it also goes up ground, but there are no stopping at this floor. What's behind this door? Oh wait. The stairs. Here we come to the next building and into the lifts to Tower 5, which are very more Itachi lifts. Again? Crap, I'm stuck in the lift. Let's see. Let's enable. I'm stuck in the lift. Very great well. Camera control. Let's go to the real-time legit control. Level, shaft, stairs. All floors. All floors. All shafts. All stairs. All into floors. And not column floors. Okay. So, let's enable gravity so we can get out of the lift in floor 26. Because the left lift is not working. Let's call the right lift if in case it's coming. So now, all of the people in floor 26 has now to go down with the stairs. Anyways, we have now to go down. Oh crap! One of the doors of the left lift, also known as the right lift, on the ground floor. Let's go through the stairs. Past floor 25. Past floor 24. Past floor 23. Past floor 22. Past floor 21. Past floor 20. Past floor 19. Past floor 18. Past floor 17. Past floor 16. Past floor 15. Past floor 14. Past floor 13. Past floor 12. Past floor 11. And past floor 10. The other lever is still working. It's the end of floor 10.